Which of the following is mutable in Java? String. Class mutable meaning its value cannot be changed after creation. What's the difference between string buffer and string builder? Thread safe string builder is not recognize safe string safe. String builder is fast but not string safe. Thread safe. String buffer is synchronized, it's thread safe. While string builder is fast but not thread is safe. Which of the following will compile successfully? And this won't compile. So you need to have a new, because it's not like string literal where you don't need to like initialize using new. The string buffer, so it requires new sb equals hello. Which class should be used when multiple threads need to modify the same string? So you need a buffer to make the thread safe. So it's string buffer. So buffer secures something to buffer something. And then what will be the output of the following code? So Java programming compilation error, runtime exception. So that's what needs to be done. So it's Java. Which of the following methods exist in string buffer but not in string? What will be the output of the following code? Java program. So insert for program as the text at index 4 end of Java, so it becomes Java programming. What is the fastest for string modifications in a single threaded environment? String builder is fast because it is not synchronized. That means the pieces of it don't have to move at the same time. So it's not in sync. The operations of it aren't in sync, so it doesn't take that much time. What happens if multiple threads try to modify a string builder instance? It will throw concurrent modification exception. It may cause unexpected results due to lack of synchronization. So synchronization is when everything is in sync with one another, just moves in harmony with each other. Whereas, so yeah, it's not thread safe. Simultaneous modifications can lead to inconsistent results. So what will be the output of the following code? Java programming. SB1, SB2 reference the same object. So modifications SB1 reflected SB2 because string buffer says SB2 equals SB1. And yeah. So yes, it's pretty much it. So next time take care of this.